A state file is the most important file in Terraform. It's also one of the most important ones to make sure we never lose it, because this is what Terraform is going to use to keep track of what it's created and what it hasn't. Now, we're going to cover later in the course something called backends, which is ways we can install the file securely and remotely. But for the moment, the state file is on our local machine. So now Terraform has gone ahead and created the resource. We can see here all the details about it, the name, the ID, and the CIDR block, and all the other resources. And this is something that I really want to drive home because the exam makes a really strong point on this. Why is the state file so important? And the reason why is it keeps track of everything we've created, and it will be used when we delete things. What do you think would happen if I deleted terraform.tfstate and then ran terraform apply? What would happen is it would then go ahead and create the VPC again. That's because it's not aware that it's already gone ahead and created